Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we will get started on this Jeep in just a moment. So on this DIY today, I'm going to be installing this FUMOTO engine oil drain valve. Makes oil changes a little bit easier. But before you get started, make sure you get your car up to operating temperature, and I'll show you just how to get this installed. It should be pretty easy. So you want to obviously pop your hood first, and you're going to go over to the oil fill cap right here. We're just going to loosen this up. It's going to be very similar to just doing an oil change, but want better airflow. Let's get under the Jeep. Now we're going to get under the Jeep from the driver's side. Make sure you have an oil catch pan right there. You drain the oil. Put this camera down. That's your drain bolt right there. That is a 13mm bit. Okay. We're going to go ahead and crack it loose. Okay, go ahead and let that drain out. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and prepare the sight. This right here is going to be a 19mm. I'm going to use a crow's foot right here so I can torque it on. So you want to put it onto the outer shell, or outer body if you will, right here. Do not put it on this little stem because it will snap off. So 20 foot-pounds when I put this back on. Put on the gasket, and let's go get back under the car. So we're getting down to a slow drip. This is probably going to be good enough, at least for me. I'm going to go ahead and work on getting it reinstalled. Oops. Okay. Again, you're going to want to do it on the body right there. Oops. Kind of an awkward position, so excuse me just a moment. All right, 20 foot-pounds. So now you'll notice there's that little valve thing at the very top. This again allows you to kind of adjust it, keep it open and closed so you can have quicker oil changes. Alright, so this pretty much wraps up this DIY video of installing that FUMOTO quick drain valve. If you like this video, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner, and make sure to put in oil before you crank it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.